total area of tropical rainforest covers around 5.5 million square kilometers. And this is the location of Brazil in the world map. Brazil is located in the eastern part of South America of the Western Hemisphere. It borders Pacific Ocean in the left and Atlantic Ocean in the right. The estimated geographic coordinates of Brazil are 15 degrees south and 48 degrees west. Brazil occupies roughly half of South America, bordering the different countries in South America except Ecuador and Chile. Brazil is the fifth largest country in the world. Brazil covers a total area of 8.5 million square kilometers. The average climate of Brazil. As you can see, there are different range of colors in the graph, wherein the darkest part is the rainy season, while the orange part is the dry season. Winter is from June to August, and the temperature ranges from 13 to 18 degrees Celsius. Summer, on the other hand, is from December to February. The temperature during summer ranges from 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. This line graph shows the average high and low temperature of Brazil, while the following graphs show the average temperature of Manaus and Rio Negro. Home to half of all the living animal and plant species on the planet. There are approximately 10 million species of animals, plants, and insects in the Amazon. It is home to many species of birds, fish, mammals, and plants. Plants and trees help animals survive in the Amazon. This rainforest is referred as the lungs of the planet. The Amazon rainforest is a moist, broadleaf forest. It is home to around 2.5 million of different insect species, as well as over 40,000 plant species. In every 2.47 acres of Amazonia, there are 1,500 plant species, 750 tree species, and 900 tons of living plants. 1 out of 4 ingredients in our medicine is from rainforest plants. Many plants around the world have medicinal qualities of the plants known to have anti-cancer properties. In fact, more than 20% of the world's oxygen is produced by the Amazon. Some animals live at the top of the tallest trees, while others live at the lower zones. Some animals live on the ground level or even below the surfaces, and so we have this vast and complex pattern of plant and animal life, which has been evolving steadily for millions of years. Many species of rainforest animals are endangered, and many others have gone extinct, as the number of acres of rainforest on Earth decreases. Creatures here have evolved to hunt and to survive in an environment dominated by water. Some animals have the ability to hide, use their camouflage, scare their predators, and use their poisonous tactics. Researchers and scientists believe that there are billions and millions of plant and insect species in the rainforest that have yet to be discovered. the largest river basin in the world. Rio Negro is located also in the Amazonas and near Manaus. Northern Brazil is dominated by the Amazon River and the jungles that surrounds it. It is the largest blackwater river. A blackwater river is a river with a deep, slow-moving channel flowing through forested swamps or wetlands. Things to bring: long shirts, trousers, and hats to protect yourself from mosquitoes and sun rays, walking boots to walk freely in the vast forest, insect repellent to prevent mosquito bites, camera to take pictures of wildlife, binoculars for sightseeing, purification tablets to cleanse dirty water, bottled water or filter to avoid dehydration, snacks, travel insurance in case of emergency, your passport, airplane ticket, flashlight, and finally Swiss knife for self-defense. First day from Manila, Philippines, using Ninoy Aquino International Airport to Manaus, Brazil, landing at Eduardo Gomez International Airport, with a total of 25 hours and 10 minutes flight duration. Second day, you will check in at Park Suites Manaus in Manaus, Brazil, staying there for a night. On the third to fourth day, tourists will be guided by our experienced tourist guide to go to the heart of Manaus. They will do a lot of activities like canoeing, fishing, mammal observation, reptile spotting, and plants explanation. Tourists will go to Rio Negro with a total of 9 hours travel time by boat. Day 6 to 8, they will check in at El Cortillo de la Riviera Hotel Boutique at Rio Negro, Brazil for a night. Tourists will be guided by our experienced tourist guide to go to Rio Negro. Activities that they will do are bird watching and amphibian spotting. After that day, they will go back to Manaus and travel by boat in 9 hours. They will settle back to Eduardo Gomez International Airport, to Manila using Ninoy Aquino International Airport, and have a travel time of 25 hours and 10 minutes flight duration. Rainforests are threatened each and every day, especially by practices such as agriculture, ranching, logging, and mining. There were around 6 million square miles of rainforest in the beginning, but now because of deforestation, there's only less than half of that still found in the world. If the rainforests continue to decline in the way that they have been, then about 5 to 10% of their species will go extinct every 10 years.